This is my old remote on the left, and the new one on the right. As you see, the old one is cracked, but it still works. Make the lights flash. That's the light flashing. The new remote I just ordered with no instructions doesn't do anything. So I'm trying to figure out what's the problem. No panic, no nothing. It made me think it's supposed to come out of the box working. My old remote, as you see, it's cracked there. Moisture may get inside. That's why I ordered the new ones. But the new one don't work. The old one, see the light? Okay. I unlocked it. Now the new one doesn't do anything. The old one, it'll lock it back.